Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get the diamond rod in Fish It. It is a little bit difficult to get it. I don't have any luck in this game, so I'm just going to tell you guys how you can get it. Go to the Fisherman Island, and as you can see there's this diamond like logo, and you're just going to go to the mutation seller and teleport and press yes. Just going to wait for this to load. Okay. Oh, and then once you are done, you're going to go to the diamond researcher here, and I'm just going to press talk, and then you're going to select the diamond researcher quest. Oh, there it is. And then if you scroll down, you'll see that you will need to own an element rod. You will need to catch a secret fish at Coral Reefs, catch a secret fish at Tropical Grove, bring Larry a mutated gemstone ruby, bring Larry a Loch Ness monster, and catch 1,000 fish while using perfect throw. So you'll need to do that to get the diamond rod. If you already have secret fishes from the Coral Reefs and Tropical Grove, you will need to catch it again. So good luck to you guys. I don't know if I'm going to do it. I have no luck at all, but you're able to do it. I believe in you. So yeah, and then you're just, if you have the like items, you can exchange items here. So for instance, the gemstone ruby, I don't have any, I think. Actually, let me see my items. Okay, I have a ruby, but it has like 0 mutations, so I don't think I'm able to give it. But okay, maybe let's unfavorite it. That's what I mean. There we go. But I don't think I can trade it for anything yet, because yeah, it has no mutations on it. So make sure it has mutations, and then you'll get the diamond rod. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I don't even have the element rod, but that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!